Now, a political fight has erupted in Gujarat over the Kutch gang rape incident, with the opposition Congress accusing the BJP government of a cover-up. An alleged identity card of a gang rape victim has only added to the entire controversy, with the opposition alleging that the BJP leaders were at the centre of the bigger sex scandal. The BJP, however, has thrashed the allegations.
Around 450 kilometers away from the state's capital, this identity card has become the latest flashpoint months before the assembly polls in Gujarat. As the opposition mounts offensive, alleging that the card belongs to a gang rape victim, is one of the social lady ID card issued by the BJP last year to gain access to a workers' meet in Kutch. The ruling BJP is busy firefighting the charge.
सोशल लेडी ऐसा कोई पोस्ट बीजेपी में है ही नहीं, तो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटरी ऐसी पोस्ट होती है, तो वहाँ सोशल लेडी जिम्मेवारी में सोशल लेडी लिखा है। तीसरा, मंडल का नाम भी नलिया लिखा, वो भी गलत है, और जो प्रेसिडेंट की सिग्नेचर होती है वो सिग्नेचर भी नहीं है, इसलिए बोगस आई कार्ड है।
Bogus, says the BJP, but the party has found itself in a spot after alleged gang rape of a woman who used to work with an LPG distribution agency owned by BJP leader Shanti Solanki at Nalia in Kutch district. The survivor, who is in Mumbai, lodged an FIR about a fortnight back, alleging that the accused also filmed the act and blackmailed the victim, threatening to circulate the clip. After names of 9 people, including 4 BJP workers, cropped up in the case, the party has suspended the members. But for the opposition, it's not enough.
और लोगों ने ऐसी बेटियों का शोषण किया है। एफआईआर में भी उस बेटी ने लिखवाया है कि मुझे इन्हीं नेताओं ने भाजपा के कहा था कि हमारा कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, क्योंकि हम तो बड़े बड़े नेताओं से भी भाजपा में हमारे कनेक्शन है।
While the political slugfest has reached its peak, a state women commission team visited the district, claiming a detailed inquiry has been instituted.
છે કે તમારી દીકરીને એ સાથે જે કંઈ થયું છે એનું દુઃખ અમને પણ છે અને અમે એને ચોક્કસ ન્યાય અપાવવાનું પણ કામ કરીશું અને તટસ્થતાપૂર્વક જે કાંઈ હશે, જે કાંઈ રિપોર્ટ આવશે એના આધારે અમે કામ કરીશું.
As the newly constituted SIT conducts further probe, the state BJP clearly appears to be in a damage control mode, especially with the opposition not missing the opportunity of making this a political issue ahead of elections in the state. In Ahmedabad, Rohit Ban for NDTV.